Hi YouTube, this is part 2 video of the first video I've already posted. This video is going to be the stair portion with the grab rail, and then also it's going to be the finished product with the powder coat and installed and done. So if you want to check out the first video before you watch this, I'll leave a link down in the description to the first video. With that being said, let's just get straight into the action. Okay, guys, there you have it. Railings are all installed and done. I did run into a little snag with the powder coat where it wasn't matching up with the three other pieces. I think they ran them separate or something. The middle piece came in darker, and it's totally unacceptable. I have zero tolerance for quality control stuff, so I do have to remove that middle rail, have it re-powder coated, and it has to be matched perfectly to the color swatch I got. And then it was called like a black bronze 2 or something like that. So yeah, just issues with powder coat. It's the only issue I've had on this whole job. The customers were great. The design's great. Excuse me. So after I get that done, the job will be all closed out. So I'll probably end up doing that after the holiday. One of the reasons why I left it because the holiday's coming up and I was there, so I wasn't able. Didn't want to take it down and then wait a week or two and then have it reinstalled after the holiday. So I just left it. I'll run back out there, get it, take it to the powder coater, have them fix it, and then reinstall it. So if you guys like that kind of content, please like and subscribe. I'm trying to post at least one video a week with talk about welding gear, metal related stuff. I do a lot of railings, kind of a niche thing I do. I do art projects, mobile welding and stuff. I have a pipe rail that I'm doing a video for right now. So if you guys like that kind of content, just please like, subscribe, leave a comment. It helps the channel out. So thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you on the next one.